Hello Bladers. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. 3 tips for the best summer road trip ever. Number 1. Ensure your vehicle's best condition. You should never, ever begin your car trip before having your car checked thoroughly at service center. It seems that your vehicle is in tip-top condition, but only a professional can be able to detect lurking problems of your car. Something below should be added to your car checklist. Battery, lights, oil, water, brakes, air, gas, engine. Number 2. Plan your journey. No matter how many destinations you will go, it's very important to sit down, study the maps and make a travel plan in advance. Think about your budget, departure and arrival times, the weather, activities and anything else that may influence your road trip. Moreover, a backup plan is also required in case of traffic or car troubles. Don't let it ruin your trip. Make sure you've prepared ahead of time in order to easily deal with any incidents which may occur on the road. Number 3. Bring only what you need. Before driving away, make sure that you prepare well for your trip. Don't pack tons of stuff in your suitcase. Instead, leave room for what you will acquire during the trip like gifts or souvenirs, etc. Additionally, you should bring some just-in-case items such as phone chargers, paper maps, and a list of emergency phone numbers and auto club cards. Alongside, a roadside emergency kit is absolutely necessary. You can purchase a ready-made kit or create your own with these items. First aid supplies. Fire extinguisher. Tire gauge and foam tire sealant. Jumper cables. Flashlight and batteries. Duct tape. Multi-purpose tool. If you're wondering how to pack all stuff above in your cars, the luggage trunk of an SUV or a van is spacious enough for everyone and everything. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.